In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the stick drift on your PS5 controller. Now this can be done without taking the controller apart and trying to disassemble it. So the few different methods we're going to try is first, getting a Q-tip and cleaning out the areas around your sticks to try and remove any debris, or getting some compressed air or blowing into the sections around the controller. This is to try and move around any debris. You can even push in to try and create some separation and then blow air into those areas. And this next step, I've been able to see fix most stick drift. And that is trying to dislodge any debris that is blocking the sensors. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna rotate the joysticks in one direction. You can do this for 30 seconds to a minute and then rotate around the other direction for the same amount of time. And then what we're gonna also do is push in on the thumbsticks and then go back to rotating. And then stop and rotate again in the other direction while holding in the joysticks. So you can do that around 30 seconds to a minute. And then once you've done that, it should have dislodged a lot of the debris that's messing up the sensors, that's causing your slight stick drift. And then if you're having any other problems or want to reset the controller to see if those sensors are now working properly, this little button on the back, you can take a toothpick or a paper clip, and you can press and hold that for a few seconds, up to 10 seconds or so, and then it should reset the controller. Then you'll have to plug in the controller again into your PS5 or connect it via Bluetooth by holding the PS and the create button to enable it to be paired via Bluetooth. And then you can go ahead and test it out, and that should fix your stick drift. And if it comes back, you can always come back to this video and take those steps again. So hopefully that was helpful. Thank you for tuning in.